Hi everybody, this is Greg with AgeVerify, and in this video I'm going to walk you through this custom AgeVerify instance that we just built for Chemistry. And you can go check this out live and in action and over at trychemistry.com. Otherwise, in this video here, I'm going to walk you through, we'll start out with the aesthetic, and then I'll kind of walk you through some of the features and functionality that we've built into this. So to begin with here, we are at trychemistry.com. We received our age verification pop-up. But let me start by saying that every age verification instance we build is built so that it will work on every single page of the website without prompting your website visitors repeatedly. So that means if they Google your store hours or your product list and they come to some page to your website other than your root page, they're still going to receive the age verification prompt. And we can also exclude pages. We can only have it display on specific pages if you want, but by default, we have it set to that it'll prompt on every single page for that initial page of entry for your website visitor. So from an aesthetic point here, to begin with, we've got a full screen background, regardless of the screen size, for our age verification prompt here. And the aesthetics here, I should point out, are provided by Chemistry. This is their own color scheme and logo and background image that we've incorporated into this. So we've got a full screen background here. You can see it's this nice rainbow color that goes all the way around. And we've got this incorporated here and tied in with their logo. And then, of course, we've color-coded all our inputs to match some of those colors as well. Moving on to the fonts here, these are custom fonts available through Adobe Typekit and also Google Fonts. And these are fonts that they use throughout their website. So we wanted to make sure that the age verification tied in as well using that same font stack. So beyond the aesthetic here, the functionality, there's a lot going on that may not be visible when you first come to this. So this is directly integrated with their existing Mailchimp account. So they wanted to have a single prompt that prompts users both for age verification, but also gives an opportunity to their website visitor to capture their email address to sign up for promotions, birthday lists, things of that nature. So the very first thing we're asking here for their website visitor is their email address, which, as you can see here, we have it listed as an optional entry. We don't want this to be a barrier for somebody to enter the website. So they do have the option here of just, there's a checkbox, please verify that you have completed at least 7,760 rotations on our planet, which means you're 21 years of age or older. And as long as you have that checked, you can enter into the website and you don't have to provide the email address or even your date of birth. If you uncheck it and you try to access the website, it's going to tell you that you must be at least 21 years of age or older to enter the website. Otherwise, by default, so I'm going to reload it here, you can see that it automatically has it checked. So really there's one click here that website visitors would need to even get into the website. But if they did want to provide their email address, and I'll go ahead and add one in, hello@ageverify.com. And let's provide a date of birth. We'll say we were born on January 1st, 1981. And actually, you know what? I'm going to back that out. We're going to say January 1st, 2010. And when I hit the 0 here on the 2010, it's going to automatically calculate that before the user even does anything additional. It's going to say, you must be at least 21 years of age or older to enter this website. So this is additional logic we've built so that when the date of birth entry is all complete, it's automatically going to calculate that. And if it detects that you're under 21 years of age, it's going to throw up this prompt. You're going to click OK, and it's going to clear out all the inputs. So it unchecked that you're 21 plus. It cleared out your email address, and it cleared out the date of birth entry fields because this is not a website visitor that should be coming into the website. I'm going to go ahead and recheck this. I'm going to do that again. hello@ageverify.com. This time I'm going to enter a date of birth of January 1st, let's say 1980. And so now, before I click enter here, we're providing our email address, we're providing our date of birth, we've got the checkbox checked, we're ready to go ahead and enter the website. And when I do press this, it's going to automatically send all of this data into their Mailchimp account. So it's going to capture, of course, with Mailchimp by default, is capturing the IP address of the website visitor, the date and time, of course, their location, so what city, state they're in, etc. But now we're also going to pass along this optional data of the email address for the email list sign up and the date of birth. And Chemistry's got a very specific function where we're passing along the month and day specifically to their Mailchimp account so they can control a birthday list for their website visitors so they can use for promotions and other email sign-up functionality. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And when I click enter, the entirety of the age verification prompt has gone away. I can now scroll the website and access the website as I need to. Real quick, I also want to show you the mobile layout, which I've already got loaded here on the other tab. So I'm going to click over here. And you can see if I were on an iPhone 6, 7, or 8, this is what the screen would look like. It's a slightly different layout. So we have the age verification box zoomed in. Whereas it would be, we don't want that zoomed out like we do on a regular desktop view. And then additionally, although you're not going to be able to see it here in Chrome, when you're on a mobile device and you click on these inputs like month, day, or year, it automatically pulls up the keypad. So users don't have to thumb through the QWERTY keyboard or use symbols. It's really just a numeric keypad of 0 through 9 to make it nice and easy to get into the website. All right, that's it for trychemistry.com, the custom age verification instance we provided, integrated with Mailchimp. If you have any questions about this or you want to see more, come check out our website, AgeVerify.com, and drop us a note or send us an email. Thanks.